హాయ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, దిస్ ఇస్ శ్రీనివాస్. మీరు చూస్తున్నారు కేవీ టెలివిజన్. వెల్కమ్ టు ఈ క్లాసెస్. ఎంతగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసినా ఎక్స్పర్ట్స్ సలహాలు సూచనలు లేకుంటే మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ను వంట పట్టించుకోవడం విద్యార్థులకు కష్టమే. అందుకే మ్యాథ్స్ పరీక్ష అంటే విద్యార్థులు బెంబేలెత్తిపోతుంటారు. ఈ టెండెన్సీ ఇంటర్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్లో అయితే మరీ ఎక్కువగా కనిపిస్తుంది. ఈ అంశాన్ని దృష్టిలో ఉంచుకునే కేఏబి టెలివిజన్ ప్రత్యేకంగా ఉచితంగా ఈ క్లాసెస్ నిర్వహిస్తోంది. ఈ క్లాసెస్లో కలిగే సందేహాల నివృత్తికి ఈ ట్యూషన్స్ కూడా ప్రారంభించబోతున్నామని తెలిపేందుకు సంతోషిస్తున్నాం. ముందుగా ఇవాల్టి మ్యాథ్స్ 2A క్లాస్లోకి ఎంటర్ అయిపోదామా? డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, నిన్నటి ఎపిసోడ్లో పర్మిటేషన్స్ అండ్ కాంబినేషన్స్ టాపిక్ కు సంబంధించి పర్మిటేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ n డిస్టింక్ట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ వెన్ రిపిటేషన్స్ ఆర్ అలౌడ్ గురించి తెలుసుకున్నాం కదా. మరి ఈరోజు ఎపిసోడ్లో ఇదే టాపిక్కు సంబంధించి ర్యాంక్ ఆఫ్ ఏ వర్డ్ గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. మరి ఈ టాపిక్ను మ్యాథ్స్ బోధనలో విశేష అనుభవం గల నాగశ్రీ గారు వివరిస్తారు.
టుడే we'll start discussing about rank of a word. Rank of a word. Suppose there is a word hotel. Now these 5 letters are rearranged and they are written. We know we will have 5 factorial permutations. 5 factorial is 120 permutations. With meaning or without meaning, 120 times these can be arranged in different ways. Suppose all those are written in dictionary order, what will be the place of this hotel? So that place is called rank of the hotel in a dictionary. So how to calculate this? For this, first of all, write these letters according to dictionary order of alphabets. So E, H, L, O, T. This is the dictionary order of those 5 letters. Now, in dictionary order, if you start writing, the word starting with E will come first. E, H, L, O, T, E, H, L, T, O, E, L, HO, like this we have to write. So first, all the words which are starting with E will be before hotel only. So how many such words will be there which are starting with E? That we will count now first. So for these 5 letters, we have 5 places. If H is written in this place, then if E is written in this place, the remaining 4 places can be filled with these 4. So this can be arranged in 4 factorial. So starting with E, you will have 4 factorial words. There are 24. Next, starting with H. According to dictionary order, next will come H. Now, in our required letter, H is the first word. So our required letter is in the first place. Then cut off this. Now the second place. Second place, according to dictionary order, I have to fill with E. Suppose here E is filled. The words in which E is in the second place are, the number of such words are the number of arrangements of these 3 places with LOT. They can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. That is 6. Now, first place is already fixed. According to dictionary order, after E, L will come. L also is not the required letter in the second place. So with L, how many will be there? How many words can be written with first letter H, second letter L? So the remaining 3, E, O, T, they can be arranged in these 3 places in 3 factorial. 6. Now afterwards, Now the second letter can be according to dictionary order O. So that is our required letter. So cut it off. Now our hotel is in the list of the words which are starting with H and O. Okay. First two letters which are required, they are here. The next one, according to dictionary order, E will come here. But that is not our required one in the third place. So all the words which are having E in this place, we have to write, they will be 2 factorial because L and T are to be arranged here. So these words will be before hotel only. Next, according to dictionary order, I have to write L here. With this also, you will get 2 factorial. Next, H, O, according to dictionary order, T will come. That is our required letter here. So T. Whenever required letter is coming into that place, cut it off. Now the remaining 2 places. E, again, according to dictionary order, I have to keep E here, and that is a required letter, and then last one is L. So this is the last one. So its position will be 24, 30, 40, 41. 41st place is the place of hotel. So rank of hotel is rank of hotel in dictionary. When these letters are rearranged and written and all the words are written in dictionary order, the rank of hotel is 41. Okay. Suppose I have taken a rank only. Rank. What is the rank of this rank in dictionary order? Again, you write them in dictionary order. A, K, N, R. This is the dictionary order of the letters. Okay. Starting with, according to dictionary order, first A will come, but our first word is not A. So with starting with A, the remaining 3 can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. Therefore, the words starting with A are 6. So after that only our rank is there. Then K, according to dictionary order. So after this only our C is there. These are also 3 factorial, 6. And after that N. These are also 6. Now after that our R is coming. So this is our